This is the first in a series of short tasters showing you what the weekly hands-on labs in this course actually look like. All labs are hosted in CoCalc, and each week also includes live seminars, so you always have access to support, guidance, and the chance to ask questions as you work through the material. In week 1, the focus is on getting everyone comfortable using Python. You're not expected to become a proficient coder. This isn't a software engineering course. Instead, the goal is to build intuition. We want you to understand how AI systems are actually put together, how code shapes behavior, and where risks start to emerge. For learners who are already comfortable in Python, each lab also includes extension exercises. These let you go deeper into AI-specific code, so you're still building new skills rather than repeating the basics. Throughout the labs, we use a vacuum cleaner assistant called Rumi. Rumi gives us a concrete, low-pressure way to walk through real code step by step and observe how an AI system behaves. The same character reappears across the course, with each lab deliberately stepping up in complexity, moving into AI attacks, governance, controls, and real-world security failures, so you develop understanding progressively, but always hands-on.